All right, we just checked into the Paris hotel. We're checking out our room, 19th floor. Haven't been to Paris in a few years, so I just wanted to check it out, see what it's like. The room is a Burgundy king, pretty standard. These are all over the place, so basic king room. Let's take a good look at the landscape. Not too bad. It is a place to sleep, essentially. If you want something better, you're going for a suite, but the price of this room for a Friday to Sunday is $800. It's a 708 plus resort fees. The room view is terrible in our room, but you can get a quick little glimpse of the Bellagio if you look out a little bit. See if I can zoom out. You can kind of see in through there, so we might get a little bit of the fountain, but no big deal. Anyway, not too bad. Like I said, place to crash, $800 for the weekend. Not sure if you think it's worth it, but anyway, if you're coming for something better, obviously you're gonna get a suite, like I said, but anyway. If you wanted to go next door to the Horseshoe, the similar room is about $100 less. Let's get a quick look at the bathroom. Not a bad place, little vanity counter, stand-up shower, bathtub. Not too bad if you need it, but that is it. Pretty quick, pretty basic. Like I said, $800. Leave a comment, think if it's worth it. Not sure, but anyway, that is it. Quick little room tour, and we're out.